All this centered on medical supplies which support HIV and AIDS, tuberculosis and malaria programs. Taking a look at other developing matters, leaders across the country have continued to pile pressure on the government over the theft of COVID-19 funds. Adding her voice, Naivasha Member of Parliament Jane Kihara described the theft as shameful and immoral, calling on the anti-graft agency to action. Kihara pointed out health facilities in most of the counties lacked enough personal protection gears and isolation centers to effectively fight the virus, yet money was being stolen. The Naivasha Member of Parliament blasted the current regime, saying it was unable to tame graft elements within the system.
Do not have enough facilitation to cater for COVID-19 patients. They don't have oxygen. They don't have ventilators, and yet all the money is being eaten in Nairobi. This is very sad, stealing from the sick, this is not the first time. We know there are people who enrich themselves with disasters. When there is a disaster, somebody gets rich, they build houses, they buy cars, they buy properties. This is something that should not go unpunished. It is the saddest thing that ever happened. Those companies, the owners, we hear that have benefited